Hey everyone, it's Peter McKinnon here. In today's digital world, video content is king. It's how we connect, learn, and share our stories. From epic travel vlogs to quick social media updates, video has become the universal language of the internet. It's engaging, it's dynamic, and it's where your audience is looking. But creating captivating video content isn't always easy, especially when you're using your smartphone. We've all been there. You're trying to capture a special moment, but the footage ends up shaky and unprofessional. It's frustrating, right? That's where the right tools come in to elevate your smartphone videography. And trust me, having the right gear can make all the difference. It's not just about the camera you use, it's about how you use it. And today, I'm going to introduce you to a game changer, the AOCHUAN Smart XE Gimbal. We've all experienced that sinking feeling when reviewing footage, only to find it ruined by shaky camera work. Whether you're walking, running, or simply trying to hold your phone steady, capturing smooth footage can feel like an uphill battle. That shaky footage can be distracting and take away from the impact of your video. It can make your audience feel dizzy and disengaged, ultimately hindering the message you're trying to convey. But here's the good news. Achieving professional-looking cinematic footage doesn't require a Hollywood budget or a bulky camera setup. The AOCHUAN Smart XE Gimbal is a compact and affordable solution that effectively eliminates shaky footage, allowing you to capture those special moments with clarity and style. So, if you're ready to say goodbye to shaky videos and hello to smooth, professional-looking footage, stick around. I'm about to show you how the AOCHUAN Smart XE Gimbal can transform your smartphone videography. The AOCHUAN Smart XE Gimbal is a game changer for content creators of all levels. Whether you're a seasoned filmmaker or just starting your YouTube journey, this gimbal will empower you to capture stunning, stabilized footage that will set your content apart. Imagine this. You're walking through a bustling city, capturing the sights and sounds, and your footage is incredibly smooth and cinematic. Or you're filming a fast-paced action shot, and the movement is fluid and captivating. That's the power of the AOCHUAN Smart XE Gimbal. This powerful tool utilizes advanced stabilization technology to counteract handshake and movement, ensuring that your footage remains steady even in challenging shooting conditions. No more shaky videos, no more missed opportunities, just smooth, professional-looking footage every time. But that's not all. The AOCHUAN Smart XE Gimbal is packed with user-friendly features that make it incredibly easy to use, even for beginners. From its intuitive controls to its versatile shooting modes, this gimbal empowers you to unleash your creativity and capture your vision with confidence. Picture this. You're on an incredible adventure exploring a hidden waterfall tucked away in a lush rainforest. You can hear the sound of birds chirping. The sunlight filters through the canopy, creating a magical atmosphere. You pull out your smartphone, eager to capture this breathtaking moment and share it with the world. You start filming, excited to share this experience. But when you review the footage later, your heart sinks. The video is shaky and distorted, completely failing to capture the beauty and serenity of the experience. The magic is lost, replaced by a wave of disappointment. Sound familiar? We've all been there, frustrated by the limitations of our own shaky hands. It's a common struggle that can plague even the most experienced smartphone videographers. Section 2. Missed opportunities and lost potential. The cost of shaky videos. Shaky footage doesn't just diminish the visual appeal of your videos, it also undermines your credibility as a content creator. In the fast-paced world of online video, viewers have come to expect a certain level of quality. When your videos are shaky and amateurish, it sends a message that you don't take your content seriously. And in a sea of countless videos vying for attention, that's a surefire way to lose viewers and miss out on valuable engagement. Think about it. Would you rather watch a beautifully shot, cinematic travel vlog that transports you to another world, or a shaky, poorly composed video that leaves you feeling motion sick? The answer is clear. In today's competitive digital landscape, investing in the right tools to enhance your video quality is no longer optional. It's essential for success. Section 3. The solution is here, stepping into a new era of smartphone videography. But what if I told you that achieving professional-level video stabilization is now within everyone's reach? Gone are the days of bulky, expensive equipment. The AOCHUAN Smart XE Gimbal puts the power of cinematic storytelling directly in your hands, empowering you to capture life's adventures with unparalleled smoothness and clarity. This revolutionary device is about to change the way you think about smartphone videography, opening up a world of creative possibilities. Get ready to say goodbye to shaky footage and hello to a new era of smooth, captivating videos that will leave your audience in awe. It's time to unlock the full potential of your smartphone camera and elevate your content to new heights. Unveiling the AOCHUAN Smart XE, a revolution in your hands. Let's talk about the AOCHUAN Smart XE Gimbal. It's a game changer for capturing life's moments with cinematic flair. Imagine a magic wand that transforms shaky footage into big screen quality. Compact and lightweight, designed for creators on the go. Packed with cutting-edge technology that rivals professional-grade equipment. Capture stunning, stabilized videos that will wow your audience. Section 2. The Science of Smoothness. How does it actually work? What kind of sorcery makes this gimbal so smooth? It's cutting-edge technology. The AOCHUAN Smart XE uses sensors and motors to counteract movement. It acts as your super steady hand. Advanced algorithms adjust the gimbal's position instantly, ensuring smooth and steady footage on the move. Effortless control at your fingertips. Mastering the gimbal. The AOCHUAN Smart XE is user-friendly and intuitive. Its ergonomic handle fits comfortably with controls within easy reach. Dedicated buttons for recording, shooting modes, and zoom are at your fingertips. Connect via Bluetooth and use the app for more creative possibilities. Attach your smartphone, power it on, and start filming. Capture your vision and share your stories with the world. Section 4. Beyond Stabilization, Unlocking Cinematic Potential. Now here's where things get really exciting. The AOCHUAN Smart XE Gimbal isn't just about eliminating shaky footage, it's about unlocking a world of cinematic possibilities that will take your videos to the next level. Remember those epic tracking shots in your favorite movies where the camera seems to glide effortlessly alongside the actors? You can achieve those same cinematic effects with the AOCHUAN Smart XE. It's like having a personal camera crew at your disposal. The gimbal's multiple shooting modes empower you to experiment with different perspectives and camera movements. Try a slow-motion reveal as you walk through a doorway, or capture a breathtaking panning landscape shot as you hike to a scenic viewpoint. You can even create those mind-bending Inception-style barrel rolls with a simple button press. The creative possibilities are endless. The AOCHUAN Smart XE Gimbal empowers you to break free from the limitations of static smartphone footage and unleash your inner storyteller. Your smartphone's new best friend, a perfect fit every time. Let's talk about compatibility. One of the things I love about the AOCHUAN Smart XE Gimbal is its versatility. It's designed to work seamlessly with a wide range of smartphones, so you don't have to worry about whether it's compatible with your device. The gimbal features an adjustable phone holder that securely grips your smartphone regardless of its size or shape. Whether you're rocking the latest iPhone Pro Max or a compact Android device, the AOCHUAN Smart XE has got you covered. And the best part? Attaching your phone to the gimbal is incredibly easy. The spring-loaded clamp gently but firmly secures your device, and the rubberized grips ensure that it stays put, even during the most action-packed shoots. You can confidently move around, knowing that your phone is safe and sound. No more fumbling with complicated mounts or worrying about your phone slipping out. The AOCHUAN Smart XE's universal compatibility and secure phone holder make it the perfect companion for any smartphone filmmaker, regardless of their device of choice. Power through your creative journey. Long battery life for extended shoots. There's nothing more frustrating than being in the middle of filming an epic shot and having your battery die. Been there, done that, it's not fun. But with the AOCHUAN Smart XE Gimbal, you can say goodbye to battery anxiety. This gimbal is equipped with a long-lasting battery that will power your creative adventures for hours on end. We're talking about a battery life that's designed to keep up with your passion, whether you're filming a full day of travel vlogging or capturing an entire evening concert. And if that's not enough, the gimbal also features features a convenient battery indicator, so you can always keep track of how much juice you have left. No more unexpected shutdowns, no more missed opportunities, just uninterrupted filming all day long. The AOCHUAN Smart XE Gimbal empowers you to focus on what matters most, capturing your vision and sharing your stories with the world, without worrying about your battery dying at the worst possible moment. It's the reliable creative partner you've been waiting for. A world of possibilities at your fingertips, exploring shooting modes. Let's dive into the heart of the AOCHUAN Smart XE Gimbal, its incredible shooting modes. It's a versatile tool for smooth cinematic movements and dynamic action sequences. One favorite feature is follow mode, smoothly tracking your movements. Lock mode keeps the camera focused on a specific subject, and POV mode offers a truly immersive filmmaking experience. Talk is cheap, so let's see the AOCHUAN Smart XE Gimbal in action. I prepared a side-by-side comparison so you can witness the difference this gimbal makes firsthand. On one side we have footage shot with a regular smartphone, completely handheld, and on the other side we have the same footage shot using the AOCHUAN Smart XE Gimbal. Pay close attention to the smoothness of the footage, especially during camera movements. Notice how the gimbal effortlessly glides through the scene, capturing every detail with clarity and precision. The difference is staggering. The footage shot without the gimbal is shaky and jarring, making it difficult to focus on the subject. It's the kind of footage that screams amateur and can instantly turn viewers away. But the footage shot with the AOCHUAN Smart XE is on a whole other level. It's smooth, cinematic, and incredibly engaging. This side-by-side comparison clearly demonstrates the transformative power of the AOCHUAN Smart XE Gimbal. It's the ultimate tool for elevating your smartphone videography and creating professional-looking content that will captivate your audience. And it's not just about the technical aspects. The AOCHUAN Smart XE Gimbal empowers you to tell more compelling stories. When your footage is smooth and stable, it draws the viewer into the scene, allowing them to connect with your content on a deeper level. Imagine you're filming a travel vlog. With the AOCHUAN Smart XE, you can capture those breathtaking landscapes and bustling cityscapes with a cinematic flair that rivals professional documentaries. Your viewers will feel like they're right there with you, experiencing the journey firsthand. Or perhaps you're documenting a special event, like a wedding or a birthday party. The gimbal's smooth tracking and stabilization ensure that you capture all the precious moments with clarity and emotion, preserving those memories for years to come. The AOCHUAN Smart XE Gimbal isn't just a piece of equipment, it's a storytelling tool that empowers you to share your vision with the world in a way that is both captivating and unforgettable. The truth is, everyone has a story to tell. We all have experiences, perspectives, and passions that are worth sharing with the world. But often we limit ourselves with the belief that creating high-quality video content is too complicated, too expensive, or simply out of reach. The AOCHUAN Smart XE Gimbal shatters those barriers, putting the power of professional-level filmmaking directly in your hands. It's a tool that empowers you to embrace your creativity, to experiment, and to share your unique voice with the world. Don't let shaky footage hold you back any longer. Unleash your inner filmmaker, embrace the power of the AOCHUAN Smart XE Gimbal, and start creating videos that not only capture the moment but elevate it to something truly extraordinary. The world is waiting to see your story. So, there you have it. We've explored the power of video in today's digital landscape. We've felt the pain of shaky footage, and we've witnessed the transformative capabilities of the AOCHUAN Smart XE Gimbal. This isn't just another tech gadget, it's an investment in your creative vision. It's about taking your smartphone videography to the next level, capturing those special moments with cinematic flair, and sharing your unique perspective with the world. Whether you're an aspiring filmmaker, a passionate traveler, or simply someone who loves to capture life's adventures, the AOCHUAN Smart XE Gimbal empowers you to tell your story with clarity, stability, and style. Gone are the days of settling for shaky, amateur-looking footage. The AOCHUAN Smart XE puts professional-level stabilization within everyone's reach, opening up a world of creative possibilities. Now I want to hear from you. Have you ever struggled with shaky videos? What are your biggest challenges when it comes to smartphone videography? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your experiences. And if you're ready to take your video content to the next level, I highly encourage you to check out the AOCHUAN Smart XE Gimbal. Trust me, it's a game changer. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. And subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks on smartphone filmmaking. And as always, keep creating, keep exploring, and keep sharing your unique vision with the world. Thanks for watching. Until next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.